Hi guys, welcome to a vlog.
Mommy.
This is what we look like right now. I'm making a cake today, so I'm printing out my edible paper, and this is what it is. It's Shawty Bay, and it says 527. What, you think that hurt me?
What do you think, that hurt me?
It's cute. It's for my friend. Yeah. So this is what we look like. This morning we got woken up by like a really loud noise outside, and I thought somebody like crashed into our house or something, but it turns out that there's a tractor out there like ruining all of the sidewalk, or the side of our street, because they're gonna put in a sidewalk. So that's what that looks like right there. And yeah, so I'm gonna make a cake today. I'll show you guys what that looks like, and it has a hidden message, which is the Shawty Bay inside. And then later we're gonna go hang out with our friends and go to a stand-up comedy show from our other friend. So yeah, come along and see how our day goes. ¿Quién es ese niño? Hijo de su madre. Niño travieso. No. Okay. Hey, I am done with my cake. I finally finished. It was a little 4-inch bento cake, but I'm all done. Now I'm on the way to the park because I'm gonna go run with my friend Anna. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. It's really nice and sunny right now, so it's a nice day. It was raining, I think, earlier a little bit, or it said it was. I didn't really check. Alright, I'm all done with my cake order, and they're about to pick it up, so I'm gonna go take pictures of it before I give it to them. And yeah, once that's all done, I'm gonna go upstairs, cut Moy's hair because he needs a haircut. Hexie?
It was at this moment that he knew.
See, he needs a haircut, and then we're gonna shower and get ready. He's not gonna go with us later because we're gonna go to Pizza Rio in Hillsboro for Angel's coworkers stand-up comedy, and we're gonna go check him out. But Mo's not gonna go with us, so I'm still gonna give him a bath, and maybe he'll fall asleep for nap time because he has not taken a nap all day. I have to show you guys how I'm cutting Moy's hair right now. Don't make fun of it, but he looks kind of cute. I just need to get that piece. Él tu pelo. Mami te lo cortó. ¿Sí? Okay, we're gonna go surprise Angel with Moy's haircut. Turn the light on. Look at Moy's hair.
No! God, please, no! 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 No!
It looks cute.
It does look cute. Mommy, baby.
It looks like a what?
Like a meme. They butchered my boy.
Mira, tu pelo. Se ve
¿Te
bonito.
gusta tu pelo? Okay, también es chulo.
He's gonna fall.
You didn't cut any over here?
A little bit. But I think I cut more on one side. Like this looks more like a mullet on this side. Here, get him.
No tires tu zapato, por favor.
Looks like Lord Farquaad. You mad?
Are you feeling mad? Yeah. Are you feeling kind of sad too? Yeah. Yeah.
A ver, Moy, tu pelo.
Just shy for him.
You're embarrassed for him? Alright, we are on our way out, and we're just gonna drop off Moy because he's not gonna go with us. We're gonna drop him off at my cousin's house, and then we'll pick him up after. but we're pretty hungry, so we're gonna get some pizza there and then see how it goes. Okay, we just are about to go in. I'm a little shy.
Me too.
Well, I'm shy to record inside, but
Try to go in.
so let's see how it goes. I hope it's fun. I think it'll be fun, but hopefully they're all funny.
Especially Jose.
Fact, he'll be funny 100%.
He told some jokes. He really gave me a run for my money. So when I saw him outside of the show after his first night, I told him that they're canceling the open mic. I'm not gonna sing, by the way. Your ears are gonna bleed.
Sing!
No, no singing.
La Chona!
All right. So Valentine's Day just happened last week. Everybody have a good Valentine's Day last week?
Woo!
All right.
Hey, pásale,
Gracias.
pásale, pásale.
Thank you.
A ver tu pelo. ¿Te gusta? ¿Sí? Está bonito, ¿verdad? Sí, sí. No se ve muy mal tu pelo que te cortó mami, ¿verdad que no?
Mami, Papa,
It looks different though. Alright, thank you guys for watching this video. That was our day. And it was fun. It was cool. It was nice hanging out with our friends. ¿Qué es papá? Dáselas a papi. But yeah, that was our day. So I hope you guys like and enjoy this video. You could go ahead and leave a comment or subscribe to me, please. That would be helpful. And I'll see you guys next time.